Hello everyone, welcome to Wheel Joint. Today I'm going to show you how to activate or deactivate the child lock feature in your Kia Sportage. This safety feature is designed to prevent children from accidentally opening the rear doors from the inside. Let's get started. First, you need to find the child's safety lock on the door. It's located on the rear door near the latch area. You have to open the rear door to access it. To activate the lock, you will need a flathead screwdriver, or you can use the mechanical key inside the smart key. Press the release button on the back side of the key fob and pull out the mechanical key. To activate the child lock, turn the child safety lock to the lock position. Once it's in the lock position, the rear doors can only be opened from the outside. This is a great safety feature when you have kids in the back seat. Don't forget to activate the child lock for the other door as well. If you want to deactivate the child lock, simply rotate the lock back to its original position. This allows the rear doors to be opened from the inside just like normal. And that's it. Activating or deactivating the child lock in your Kia Sportage is a straightforward process. Make sure to double-check that the child lock is set to your desired position to ensure the safety of your little ones. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Wheel Joint for more useful tips and tutorials for your Kia. If you have any questions or need assistance with any other car-related topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and drive safely.